Hey guys, this is Ernesto and welcome back to yet another video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm having a wonderful day. So today we're gonna do a very quick video and talk about a very important tool that I use to assist me with my retouching. So let's get into it. So the tool that I use to help me with my retouching is the Wacom Intuos tablet, is the medium tablet. Now, first of all, I want to say that this video is not sponsored by anyone. Basically, these tools, I purchased these tools to use to help me with my post-production work. So that being said, the tablet that I have is the medium tablet. Now, this tablet, you don't necessarily need to purchase this specific tablet. You could always purchase a cheaper one, a smaller one. In fact, the one that I use, I'll tell you about how I use it in a minute. But the way I use it, you really don't need to purchase the medium one. You could purchase the small one, or you could purchase some other one. But the reason this tablet is important to me is when I'm doing retouching, and I'm not an expert retoucher by any means, but when I do my post-production work on the photos, it certainly helped to have a tablet, because that tablet will help you with accuracy. Like when you're trying to get rid of pimples and stuff like that, it certainly helps you with that accuracy. Utilizing a mouse will make your life a little bit miserable. Not that you cannot do it with a mouse, you absolutely can actually do retouching with a mouse. It'll just be a lot painful. With a tablet, that effort becomes very, very easy. Getting used to a tablet takes a while. Trust me on that. When I first got it, it was absolutely miserable for me to use a tablet. Not this one specifically, but the one that I originally got, it was very, very difficult to use it. So one of the things I would say in trying to get used to a tablet is you want to basically get rid of your mouse, right? Now, not get rid of it permanently, but in the process of you trying to learn how to use this tablet, you want to remove the mouse from the equation and not have it anywhere close to you. Because what that would allow you to do, it will force you to use the tablet for everything, not just for post-production work, but it will also force you to use it for, daily tasks, navigating websites and stuff like that. Use the tablet in that fashion and you will definitely get used to it. It still will take some time, but you will definitely get used to it. Another thing that really helped me in getting used to the tablet is basically restricting the area on the tablet that you actually use. The surface that you're trying to work with is so large that it becomes a little bit tedious because your hands is moving so much back and forth. So what I decided to do was restrict the surface of the tablet where I basically utilize. So this entire surface of the tablet is not being used by me. I only use a very, very small portion of that tablet where I just basically have to move my hands in this way, and I don't have to move my hands in large strokes. So I think if you do that, that will help you with getting used to this tablet. Now, this tablet comes with a lot of great features, and I would say if you're the type of person that like to get into all those types of features, it will be awesome for you. It had like hotkeys and stuff like that. You could assign specific hotkeys, even functions, but I turn all of those features off. I don't want to use any of those features for me personally. All I utilize this Wacom tablet for is basically for drawing on the surface so I could retouch skin. And that's it. I don't want any other functions that it comes with. The hotkeys, I turned that off. The touch function, I turned that off. I don't want any of that, because for me, when I'm using it, it becomes a little bit annoying, especially the touch feature. When you touch the pad, it may activate something inadvertently, and I just found that annoying, so I just turn all of the stuff off, and I just utilize the pen and the pad, and that's it. Another reason why I got this specific Wacom tablet is because of the wireless feature that's built into it. The previous versions to this tablet had a wireless feature, but you had to have like a little dongle that you had to plug into your laptop in order for utilizing that wireless function. With this one, is basically is Bluetooth built into it. So it's truly wireless, and I love that fact that it's so wireless that you can use it in that fashion. Now, it does come with a cable where you could plug in the cable to charge it up, And once it's fully charged, that charge lasts a very long time, which is great because you could use this tablet for a very long time without actually having to plug it back in. So for me, that is awesome. So yeah, that's it. I said it was gonna be a quick video and that was it. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you're using a mouse out there, I will highly recommend that you try a tablet, see how it works for you. I know some other photographers that were using mouse for a very long time to do editing, and the reason why they were using a mouse is because they were navigating within like Lightroom or Capture One, and they were just using, you know, the sliders, and they weren't moving into like Photoshop. And if that's you, and if basically you're a type of photographer that just basically stay within Lightroom and or Capture One and you don't go into like a Photoshop or something like that, perhaps you could probably get away with not utilizing a Wacom tablet. But even in Lightroom, they utilize brushes and stuff like that. So I think even if in Lightroom, you could probably use the Wacom tablet to help you with more, you know, accuracy as far as targeting the specific area that you intended to target. So I think that would be helpful for that. Now I do have like a new setup here. As you guys can see, I have like a new monitor, the new LG monitor, and I have the new MacBook Pro 2018. If you guys want me to talk about these two additional features that I added into my arsenal, you know, drop a comment down below and let me know. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Put some comments down below, let me know what you think. Share this video with your friends and family if you think it will be awesome to them or helpful to them. And if you guys got this far in this video and you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.